Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about in this mini series of Tally Prime how to install Tally Prime and how to do the accounting in the Tally Prime. We are going to go from basic to advanced, from creating a company to its accounting and various other features like inventory, GST and other stuff in the Tally Prime. This is the new version of Tally Prime that we are going to handle. Well, Tally Prime it has a new look and a whole new experience in the software. It is simple to learn, easier to use. It has some more advanced reporting features and it can be used anywhere and can be accessed anytime. So what does Tally Prime have? Well, Tally Prime has features like it can generate e-way bills and e-vouchers and invoices directly from the system. You can edit logs, you can fully maintain audit logs in the system, and you can check those systems previously for all the auditing features which we are going to talk about in detail here. There are various other features also in the Tally Prime and it is a little bit different than the basic Tally, but it has some new and innovative features. So what we are going to discuss later in this course. Well, that's it. Let's move on to the next module.